Okay, in this video, we're going to discuss on some questions regarding arithmetic and geometric sequence. Okay, now let's start with this example. Given a sequence 176, 172, 168 until the last term is 20. Okay, find the number of terms in the sequence. Okay, so meaning to say that you want to find value of n, which is number of terms. Okay, but now we do not know the given sequence here is either arithmetic or geometric. Okay, so we need to prove one value, either common ratio or common difference. So remember, characteristic for common ratio and common difference, the value must be the same throughout the sequence. Okay, since we have two sequences only, which are arithmetic and geometric, so test one value first. Okay, let's say, example, I test common difference. Okay, let's say I put D1 common difference, T2 divided by T1. Okay, so T2 minus T1. So 172 minus 176 equal to -4. Okay, I test another one value, D2. So this one to determine whether the given sequence is arithmetic or geometric. Okay, so we use T3 and T2. So 168 minus 172. So this one also equals to -4. Okay, so since the values of common difference are the same, so the given sequence here is arithmetic sequence. So use formula arithmetic in order to answer the question. Okay, let's say if you start to test with value common ratio. Okay, let's say you calculate common ratio R. R equal to T2 divided by T1. 172 divided by 176. So this one you will get 43/44. Okay, try another one value, T3 168 divided by T2 172, so equal to 42/43. So if you notice here that value R is not the same. Okay, so remember, common ratio and common difference, the value must be the same throughout the sequence. Okay, so meaning to say that this is not geometric sequence but arithmetic sequence with common difference equal to -4. Okay, now we want to find the number of terms, means that n equal to what? Okay, extract the information given. Okay, we know that from the given sequence, A equal to 176. So D -4. And here we know that 20 is the last term, but unknown. Okay, so in general, we put Tn equal to 20. Okay, so now we want to find value n here. Okay, use formula arithmetic sequence. So Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 times D. Okay, substitute the value that we have here. So Tn equal to 20. First term is 176 plus n minus 1 times D. D equal to -1. So 20 equal to 176 plus, so n times 4. N times -4 is -4. And -1 times -4, +4. Okay, simplify this one. So 20 minus 176 minus 4 equal to negative 4n. So this one equal to negative 160. So n here equal to negative 160 divided by negative 4. So n equal to 40. So means that in this sequence, okay, we have 40 numbers. Okay, 20 is the 40th number. So also note that when we find value n, okay, value n cannot be negative. Okay, we cannot say that there is a negative 40 number in the sequence. Okay, next. The fourth term and seventh term of a geometric sequence are negative 120 and 960 respectively. Find the first term A and common ratio, which is value R. Okay, now in this question stated already, it is a geometric sequence. Okay, so use formula geometric sequence. So given here T4 equal to negative 120 and T7, seventh term equal to 960. So we need to find value A and R. So geometric sequence equal to Tn equal to AR power of n minus 1. Okay, first step, write T4 and T7 in each general term. Okay, so T4 general term equal to AR power of 3 and T7 equal to AR power of 6. Okay, 7 minus 1, 6, 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, use this formula. Okay, now substitute value T4. So we know that T4 is negative 120. So this one equal to AR power of 3. T7 960 equal to AR power of 6. So let this one be the first equation. T7 here be the second equation. Okay, now similarly, in previous example, okay, we need to eliminate or we need to find one value first in order to find another value, because now we have two unknowns value which are A and R. So here, the easiest way is we eliminate A. So apply rule of indices. Okay, so AR means A multiplied by R. So we can apply the rule of indices. So A in equation 1 and A in equation 2, the power is equal to 1. Okay, so easy for us to eliminate A first. So how to eliminate A in this case? So what we can do to eliminate A, okay, equation 2 divided by equation 1. Okay, why divided by equation 1? Because A divided by A equal to 1. So A is eliminated. Okay, if equation 1 divided by equation 2 also, no problem. Okay, so in this case, why I put equation 2 divided by equation 1? Because R in second equation, the power is higher than equation 1. So easy for us to do the subtraction. Means that to avoid negative value. Okay, equation 2 is AR to the power of 6 equal to 960. Divided by equation 1, AR to the power of 3 equal to negative 120. So A divided by A equal to 1, so no more A. So R power of 6 divided by R power of 3 becomes R power of 3. Okay, 6 minus 3 equal to 3. So here you apply the rule of indices. So 960 divided by negative 120 equal to negative 8. So R equal to, so power of 3 you bring to right hand side. So this one become cube root of negative 8. So here if you calculate, you press your calculator, you will get R equal to negative 2. Okay, once we get common ratio, then we can find value A, or the first term. So substitute R equal to negative 2 into equation 1. Okay, you can substitute into any equation. Equation 1 will do, or equation 2. So equation 1 is AR power of 3 equal to negative 120. So A multiplied by R, negative 2 power of 3 equal to negative 120. So A equal to negative 120 divided by negative 2 power of 3. So A equal to negative 15. So negative negative will be positive. So A equal to 15. Okay, now look at this question. The third term and the sixth term of an arithmetic sequence are 39 and 30 respectively. Okay, so note that given here is arithmetic sequence. So we use formula arithmetic sequence. Okay, A, find the first term, which is value A, and common difference, value D. Okay, extract the information given. So here we have third term T3 equal to 39 and sixth term T6 equal to 30. Okay, since arithmetic, so use formula arithmetic. So Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. Okay, for question A. Okay, write T3 and T6 in its general term. Okay, so T3 equal to A plus 2D. Okay, so how we get 2D here? N minus 1. So now n equal to 3. So 3 minus 1 we get 2. Okay, we know that T3 is 39. So we can write 39 equal to A plus 2D. Okay, now you let this one be the first equation. Okay, T6, write T6 in general term as well. So T6 equal to A plus 5D. Okay, 6 minus 1, we get 5. So T6 is 30, so 30 equal to A plus 5D. So this one we set it as second equation. Okay, now if you look at A, both multiplier in both equation is equal to 1. So in this case, it is easy for us to eliminate A first. Okay, so A minus A we get 0. So means that A is eliminated. So if you want to use method of substitution also, no problem. Okay, substitution means that you let A equal to, for example, from equation 1, A equal to 39 minus 2D. Okay, then you substitute into second equation. Or if you want to use method of elimination also, no problem. Okay, let's say now to eliminate A. Okay, let's say I use method of elimination. Equation 1 minus equation 2. So what is equation 1? A plus 2D equal to 39. Minus equation 2, A plus 5D equal to 30. Okay, solve this one. A minus A equal to 0. So means that there is no more A. A is eliminated. So 2D minus 5D is negative 3D. 39 minus 30 we get 9. So D equal to 9 divided by negative 3. So common difference is negative 3. Okay, once we get D, then we can find first term. Okay, substitute value D into any equation. So substitute D equal to negative 3 into, let's say I substitute it into first equation. So A plus 2D equal to 39. So A plus 2 times negative 3 equal to 39. So A equal to 39. So negative 2 times negative 3, negative 6. So negative 6 you bring to the other side become positive 6. So A equal to 45. Okay, now question B. So we want to find the sum of the first 6 terms. So we want to find S6. Okay. So formula sum for arithmetic sequence is Sn equal to n over 2 multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. So now n equal to 6. Okay, substitute value into formula. So n over 2, so 6 over 2 times 2a. So first term just now is 45 plus n minus 1. So 6 minus 1 times the common difference, negative 3. Okay, so 6 minus 2 equal to 3. 2 times 45, 90 plus. So 6 minus 1 equal to 5. 5 times negative 3 equal to negative 15. So here minus negative 15. So when you calculate this one, 90 minus 15 is 75, and then multiply by 3, we get 225. Okay, now question 6. Given a sequence 25, 31, 37 until last term 103. So this one similar to previous example. Okay, A, state whether the sequence is arithmetic or geometric. Okay, so now you try test one value, either common difference or common ratio. Okay, so let's say I want to test value common difference, value D. Okay, let's say I put D1 equal to 31 minus 25 equal to 6. Okay, try another one value, D2. Let's say I put D2. So T3, 37 minus 31, T2. So this one also equal to 6. So since R are the same, okay, so prove that the given sequence is arithmetic sequence. Okay, so that's how we determine whether the given sequence is arithmetic or geometric. If, let's say, here, okay, let's say here you get, for example, 3. Okay, so 6 and 3 is not the same, different. Okay, so means that this is not an arithmetic sequence. Okay, so value of D or value of R must be the same throughout the sequence. Okay, now look at question B. Find the number of terms in the sequence. Okay, so means that 25, 31 until last number 103. How many numbers in the sequence? Okay, we know that this is an arithmetic sequence. So use formula arithmetic sequence. Okay, B. So we know that first term is 25. Common difference is 6. Okay, sorry, this one is not R. R is common ratio. D, okay? Common difference. So D equal to 6. And we know that the last number 103. So in general, we put it is as Tn, okay? But we do not know what is value n now. So Tn equal to 103, the last number. Okay, since we have info about Tn, so we use formula Tn. So Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 multiplied by D. Okay, substitute the value. Tn equal to 103. So equal to A 25 plus n minus 1. So now we want to find value n. Multiply by common difference D. So 103 equal to 25 plus n times 6, 6n. Negative 1 times 6, negative 6. Okay, solve this one. So 103 minus 25 plus 6 equal to 6n. So 103 minus 25 plus 6 equal to 84. So 84 equal to 6n. So n equal to 84 divided by 6. So 84 divided by 6 is 14. So remember, when we find value n cannot be negative. Okay. So in this sequence, 103 is the 14th term. Okay. So 103 is T14. Okay. So this is T14. Okay, see, find the sum of the sequence. Sum of the sequence means that S14. Okay, because in question B, we know that total number in the sequence is 14. So question C, we want to find S14. Okay, so formula for arithmetic sequence Sn equal to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So as 14, so n equal to 14. 14 divided by 2. 2 times a just now is 25 plus n minus 1. 14 minus 1 multiplied by d. Common difference is 6. Okay, simplify this one. So 2 times 25, 50 plus 14 minus 1, 13. 13 times 6 equal to 78. So 78 plus 50 equal to 128. So 128 multiplied by 7, we get 896. Okay, now let's look at this question. Given a sequence, negative 2, negative 1, negative 1 over 2, negative 1 over 4, and up to last term, negative 1 over 512. Okay, what is the type of sequence? So again, we test one value, either common ratio or common difference. Okay, let's say I want to test value common difference. Okay, so D1 equal to negative 1 minus negative 2. Okay, so common difference T2 minus T1. So negative, negative, positive. So negative 1 plus 2 is 1. Okay, let's test another one value to see whether second value is 1 or not. Okay, so we use T3, T3 negative 1 over 2 minus T2 minus negative 1. Okay, so negative, negative, positive. So negative half plus 1 equal to negative half. Sorry, half only. Okay, so negative half plus 1 will be half. Okay, if you look at here, value D are different. Okay, so meaning to say that this is not arithmetic sequence. So it is a geometric sequence. So once we know it is a geometric sequence, okay, find the common ratio. So here R equal to T2 divided by T1. Okay, so negative 1 divided by negative 2 is 1/2 or half. Okay, B, find the number of terms. Okay, again, we want to find value n. So here, question B, we want to find value n. Okay, so we know that A equal to negative 2, R equal to half or 0.5, and Tn, the last term is negative 1/512. Okay, use formula geometric sequence. So geometric Tn equals to AR power of n minus 1. Okay. So now we know that Tn is negative 1/512 equal to A negative 2. R is 0.5 or half. Power of n minus 1. Okay, so now we want to find value n here. Okay, solve this part first. Okay, AR means that A multiplied by R. So you can bring negative 2 to left hand side. So negative 1/512 divided by negative 2 equal to 0.5 power of n minus 1. Okay, so if you calculate this one, you will get 1/1024. Okay, so this side we have 0.5 power of n minus 1. Okay, so if you look at here, n is in terms of power. Okay, so how to eliminate power of unknown value? We can apply log. Okay, continue here. So log 1/1024 equal to, okay, now n is in terms of power, right? Okay, so to eliminate power of unknown, you bring this one in front and then you put log. So this one equal to n minus 1 multiplied by, that means multiply, log 0.5. Okay, now make this part as a subject. So n minus 1 equal to log 1/1024 divided by, so this one multiply, so bring to the other side, become divide. So divided by log 0.5. So this one you just press your calculator. So n minus 1 equal to, okay, you press this one, log 1 divided by 1024. Okay, you get the answer, and then divided by log 0.5. Okay, make sure, be careful with the bracket. So we get 10. So this part we get 10. So n minus 1 equal to 10. So n equal to 10 plus 1. So answer n equal to 11. So remember, when we find value n cannot be negative. Okay? So negative 1/512 is T11. Okay, so all together in this sequence we have 11 numbers. Okay, how about question 6, sum? So remember, for geometric sequence, if sum, we need to look at value of common ratio, okay, whether it is more than 1 or less than 1. So in this case, value of R, which is equal to 0.5, So 0.5 is less than 1. So we use formula. So R just now 0.5 less than 1. So we use this formula. So question C here. So we want to find sum of all terms. Since we have 11 numbers, so we want to find S11. Okay. So Sn equal to A multiplied by 1 minus R power of n divided by 1 minus R. So S11 equal to A negative 2 multiplied by 1 minus R 0.5 power of 11 divided by 1 minus 0.5. So when you calculate this one, you will get negative 3.998. Okay, now this question 9. The third term and the sixth term of an arithmetic sequence are 24 and 60 respectively. Find the common difference and the first term. Okay, similarly like previous example, okay, you write T3 and T6 in general term. Okay, so we have T3 equal to 24, T6 equal to 60. So write T3 in general terms. So T n for arithmetic equal to A plus n minus 1D. So if T3, so T3, 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So T3 equal to 2D. Okay, T6, so T6 equal to A plus 5D. Okay, 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Okay, substitute value T3 into the general term. So T3 equal to 24, so equal to A plus 2D. So we make this one as first equation. And T6 equal to 60, so 60 equal to A plus 5D. So this one we set it as second equation. Okay, previously I used method of elimination. So here I would like to show you using method of substitution. Okay, so it is easy for us to use method of substitution if the multiplier of the unknown value equal to 1. Okay, so in this case, A equal to 1. So easy for us to use method of substitution. Okay, let's say from equation 1, so I made A as the subject. Okay, A plus 2D equal to 24. So A, make A as the subject. So A equal to 24 minus 2D. Okay, plus you bring 2 right hand side, become minus. So let's say this is the third equation. Okay, once we get A equal to 24 minus 2D, okay, substitute. This is meant by substitution method. Okay, substitute equation 3 into equation 2. Okay, so this one you derive from equation 1. So make sure you substitute it into equation 2. So equation 2, A plus 5D equal to 60. So we know that just now A equal to 24 minus 2D. So substitute A equal to 24 minus 2D. And then continue plus 5D equal to 60. So negative 2D plus 5D equal to 3D. So this part 60, 24 positive, bring to right hand side, become minus. So 3D equal to 60 minus 24. So 60 minus 24 is 36. So D equal to 36 divided by 3. So value D equal to 12. Okay, now once we get value D, so how to get value A? So substitute D equal to 12 into equation 3. Okay, where 3 is A equal to 24 minus 2D. So A equal to 24 minus 2D. So we know that D equal to 12. So 2 times 12. So 24 minus 24. So A equal to 0. So common difference equal to 12 and A, the first term, equal to 0. Okay, now look at this question. The fifth term of a geometric sequence is 252 and the common ratio is 0.5. Find the first term and the sum of the first 10 terms. Okay, so now common ratio is already given to us. So this is arithmetic sequence. So Tn equals to AR power of n minus 1. So we know that R equal to 0.5 and fifth term T5 equal to 252. Okay, find the first term which is value A and sum of the first 10 terms. So we want to find S10. Okay, since we have information about T5, so we use formula general term. Okay, we write T5 in its general term. So T5 equal to AR to the power of 4. Okay, 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So we know that T5 equal to 252. A first term and R is 0.5 power of 4. So A first term equal to 252 divided by 0.5 power of 4. So if we calculate this one, we will get 252 divided by 0.5 to the power of 4. So 4032. So first number of first term is 4032. Okay, now find sum of the first 10 term. Okay, we know that R is less than 1. Okay, 0.5. So we use formula for sum for R less than 1. So Sn equal to A times 1 minus R to the power of n divided by 1 minus R. So S10, so n equal to 10. A4032 times 1 minus R 0.5 power of 10 divided by 1 minus 0.5. So if we calculate this one, we will get 8056.125. Okay, this question, the first term in an arithmetic sequence is -5 and the last term is 40. If the common difference is 3, find the number of term in the sequence. Okay, number of term in the sequence means that we want to find value n. Okay, extract the information given. So first term, which is A equal to -5. And last term, so last term we put it as Tn. Okay, Tn equal to 40. And common difference D equal to 3. Okay, find the number of terms. Since this is an arithmetic sequence, so use formula arithmetic sequence. So we have info about Tn, so substitute Tn equal to 40, A equal to negative 5 plus N minus 1 times D equal to 3. So 40 equal to negative 5, N times 3, 3N, negative 1 times 3, negative 3. So solve this one, 40 plus 5 plus 3 equal to 3N. So 3N equal to 48. Okay, 40 plus 5, 45 plus 3, 48. So N equal to 48 divided by 3. So remember, when we calculate N cannot be negative. So 48 divided by 3 equal to 16. So meaning to say that 40 is T16. Okay, so altogether in the sequence, it has 16 numbers. Okay, question B. Sum of all the terms in the sequence. So use formula sum of arithmetic sequence. So question B here. Sn equal to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 d. So we want to find sum of all. So all numbers we have 16. So we want to find S16. So in this case, n equal to 16. So 16 minus 1 here, multiplied by common difference equal to 3. So 16 minus 1, 15. 15 multiplied by 3 equal to 45. So 8 times 35. So negative 10 plus 45 is 35. So 35 times 8 equal to 280. Okay, last example. Given the sequence 10, 8, 6 up to last number negative 24. Okay, calculate the number of terms in the sequence and the sum of the sequence. Okay, in this question, it is not mentioned whether this is an arithmetic or geometric sequence. Hence, we need to determine first whether it is an arithmetic or geometric. Okay, again, we test one value, either common ratio or common difference. So let's say I test common difference. So D1 equal to 8 minus 10. So 8 minus 10 equal to negative 2. And second value of D, let's say T3 minus T2. So 6 minus 8 equal to negative 2 as well. Okay. So since value common difference is the same, so this sequence is an arithmetic sequence. Okay. So use formula arithmetic. Okay, we know that from the given sequence, A equal to 10 and Tn equal to negative 24. Okay, so use formula arithmetic. Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 times D. So Tn is negative 24 equal to A. A is equal to 10 plus n minus 1. So we want to find value n here. And D equal to negative 2. So negative 24 equal to 10 plus n times negative 2, negative 2n. So negative 2n. Negative 1 times negative 2, positive 2. So negative 24 plus, minus 10 minus 2 equal to negative 2n. So negative 24 minus 10 minus 2 will be negative 36 equal to negative 2n. So n equal to negative 36 divided by negative 2. So negative divided by negative, positive. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Okay, so remember n cannot be negative. So here negative 24 is T18. Okay, so altogether in this sequence we have 18 numbers. Okay, question B, sum of the sequence. Okay, since we have 18 numbers in the sequence, means that n equal to 18. So we want to find as 18. So formula sum for arithmetic is n equal to n over 2 times 2a plus n minus 1b. So S18 equal to, so substitute n equal to 18. 2 times a just now is 10 plus 18 minus 1 times d is negative 2. So S18 equal to 18 over 2, 9, 2 times 10, 20, plus, so 18 minus 1, 17, 17 times 2 equal to 34. So positive, negative, negative. So minus 34. So 9 times 20 minus 34 is negative 14. So 9 times negative 14 equal to negative 126.